Fine. Judas Priest.
Not the Let's Learn English Ragdoll logo from 2006. No 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 no.
Yes 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 yes. Ha 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 ha.
You had it coming for being such a dumbhead, Salt.
I'm not a dumbhead, and Pepper, I want you to take care of this freaking stupid scary logo.
Got it! 2006 Ragdoll logo, because you scared the crud out of Salt. Take that.
I'm so glad that logo is gone. The 2006 Ragdoll logo from Let's Learn English with the Teletubbies is the second scariest Ragdoll logo.
If that's the second scariest, then the scariest is the Booba Special Message for Parents Ragdoll logo from 2003.
Yes, fiery. The 2004 Ragdoll logo is actually not scary.
Eric, get back to the bloopers. Get it right.
Judas Priest. Owen, stop telling Eric what to do. He doesn't have to listen to you.
I'm the boss, so shut up, Erica.